Okay, so this is session 3 homework assignment. And on the right hand side, I have put the requirements that they have for the homework. And the first one says, ask the user for a string. It should print, please enter a string. Assume the user enters hello. So because we have user input, I need to make sure that I get a scanner put in. So I'm going to name that scanner UI for user input, and then we're going to say new scanner. All right, and then if you hover over, one of the ways to actually import that is to hover, and then it imports the scanner in there. Okay, and then we want the system to print out, please enter a string. And then I need a place for a response. So I know that it's going to be a string, and I'm going to name it answer. And that's going to equal to the user input dot next. Okay, so basically the next user input, but then I'm telling you that it's a string and I labeled it answer. All right, and then the first thing is that it needs to say hello. So I'm going to quickly run that just so I know it happens and say hello. I'm able to do that. So let's move on to the next portion. It says to convert that string to all uppercase and print it. It should print hello. Okay, so we want to do a system output and print our answer that was given. And I want it to go to uppercase, like so. All right, execute that. Again, hello. And I get all uppercase. All right, next portion says to print the length of that string, it should be 5. All right, so we're going back to system output. I'm going to do my answer and the length. Execute, hello again. There we get all caps, and we get that it is 5. And let's keep going. So the next portion says to replace the O with a Z, it should print this. All right, so let's see. We want to do a SysO. Oops. Okay, and then I want to take because this one is all caps. So let's see. I want to take this that we did in all uppercase. I'm going to copy it and put it here. And then this is a string, so I should be able to do replace. All right. And then I'm going to replace the O with a Z. And let's see if that works. So we get a hello. All right. And there we go. So it's still all capitalized. All right. Next portion says to give the last character of the string. It should print the Z. Okay. So let's see if we system printout. Well, I want it based off of this last one I just did. So I think I will need all of this. All right, so I'm going to put that one there. And then I need to do a char at, because that gives me an array. So here's my char at, and I want to do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the fourth character Okay, so hello. Perfect. And there's my Z. And then the last question says that they want us to concatenate the string from step one with string test. It should print hello test. So hello would be in all lowercase and the T in test would be capitalized. All right, so pretty simple. Let's syso again. System print out, and we really just want the answer. And I'm gonna add the word test, like so, and that should work. So execute that. Hello. All right. So I see my mistake. I need a space. All right. Hello again. Perfect. So now I have hello in all caps. It's a length of 5. I've changed the last letter to a Z when it is in all caps. I've indicated what the last character was in the previous one. And then I have concatenated a phrase to say hello test. All right, that is session 3 homework.